Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Adebugbe Isaac Pamilani from DBD Concepts. So, in this video, I'm about to show you how to design a free logo. So, in case you are a person, you are looking for a way to design a cool logo for your business, for your website or for your blogs. So, this video is for you. You can even design it under 2 minutes to 3 minutes. Okay, guys, before I get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. Guys, okay, open your browser. Okay, so the website we are going to use is flamingtext.com. So I will drop the link in the description below in case you want to design for your website or for your blog. So just search the name you want to use. Let me just put in the name of my logo. Let me put in the name of my logo here. So let me put DBD. So I'm just using this one as an example for you guys. DBD concept. So can you see, guys? So get started. Get started. So can you see? There is a lot of templates you can use. There's a lot of templates you can use. So even you can get the animated one if you are a website design. So can you see, guys, it's animating. So can you see? So just check the one that you like. Just check around. If you don't like this one or this one, so just go down and click next. So can you see now? Check around. So let's check around. So can you see? If you don't like, you can still go to next. There is a lot of templates you can use to design your logo, and it's absolute free. It's absolute free. So let me just choose one. Let me choose this one. So even you can still edit the logo in case you made a mistake. So can you see now? I've choose this one now. So can you see now? It's loading. Let it load finish. Can you see? So you can. This is where you can edit. You can. This is the front size. You can increase the front size. So can you see? You can decrease the front size. So you can change the font. In case you don't like the font, you can just check and change the font. So you can delete the background. You can remove the background rather. So the background color is white. In case you want to change the background to red, so can you see now? In case you want to change this to any kind of color, so can you see? So let me change this to white. So you can even remove the background. Can you see? So can choose the gradient, and that is you can change to gradient color. So can you see? Let me use transparent. So I want to remove the background. You can just check around and try to manipulate your design the way you like. So can just check, can just do something good. So can you see? Can save it as PNG, even as GIF, JPEG, and so on and so forth. So I think that is that on that. Let me save my design now. So is a free. So don't choose buy now. Just download. Just download your design. So let me just check. Can you see, guys? This is the logo. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Watch out for more. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.